Okay, it's Tuesday, October 24th. This is a morning SPY update about an hour into trading. Just thought I'd kind of shoot a video explaining what I'm looking for. I'm actually biased to the downside, and I'm going to patiently wait for an opportunity. You can see here the market, if you just looked at the 15-minute chart on its own, first bar went up a little bit. We had very strong choppy action here in bars 2 and 3. And a lot of selling off, strong selling off as it moved higher, and then it kind of finally started to break out of bar number 1. Now, normally you'd buy this, and you can see here on the daily chart, you're still inside of yesterday, so you kind of anticipate what you're doing here. If you buy this kind of opening price action, is anticipating a 2-up day that's then going to get to its target up here, and that's the reason you would buy that. And you'd have a stop kind of the halfway point of the first bar. Instead, what I'm seeing is more, yes, we might get up there and reach for liquidity up here because there's a double top, so I could see that. So if you buy it here, that's kind of the target. But I actually am more excited about the failure. And if I miss this, given the choppiness and all that selling, I just don't see the momentum, although it's certainly possible that I'll miss a good trade to the buy side and we get a 2-up day and it goes to this target and we get into this gap up here. That would be the trade to take here if you're going to do it, and then just and if you're wrong, you have a stop down here. I'm going to kind of play this trading range in here. We'll see if we take out the liquidity first or not, and then fail and get through the halfway point of that first bar. Then I'll look to buy puts. So just showing you, you don't have to take every signal if you have other context in mind. And if you miss it, you miss it. And if you do take this and it doesn't follow through, you can get right out. So that's another option to play. I just don't want to do it for some reason, even though we probably will hit this double top liquidity up here and you'd have a no risk trade. So, just kind of explaining in this case my logic. I still think the downside is the way to go. There are bigger picture targets down here. I'm comfortably waiting for, put trades more than I am to the upside, but there's no doubt the market wants to kind of take out liquidity to the upside a little bit first, it looks like. So we'll just see how that unfolds. So you can kind of go both ways too. You can kind of play this to the upside if you want and treat it very nimbly if it doesn't get immediate follow through, but I'm going to actually get excited on any failure to buy puts. So just thought I'd point that out as it's unfolding.